Surfix Grant here, doing a kitchen sink installation. Alright, so we are kind of speed it up, guys. Take a little while, you know. So, but we really don't want to use the white, the clear silicone, but that's the one, the warmer one I buy. So that's the one I use. So as you can see, I'm doing it. Another thing with the really the woman I purchased this stuff, even the tangent, so it's supposed to really use one with a brush, but that's the one she purchased, so that's the one I use. And, you know, if I use the whitish color one instead of the blue one, prefer to use the blue one on pressure pipe, like, you know, water pipe, something with pressure. This is just a drainage pipe, so and really, but it's all good. It's gonna work fine. And I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, you know, cause try to grow that channel, you know, where can get views by a lot of people, because I get ready for really make some stuff and upload it. So if you're watching the video, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel so you can see the videos them as soon as I put them up. And you also get to learn some things from me, because skill, you know, born this way, nobody not teach me nothing when it comes down to none of the trade we have. I learn, I might pick up one or two things from maybe watching certain things, but I'm born this way. And me baby, me do these things, honestly. So, something that just come natural. So, I do a look at technique right there. So, I just use two of the male adapters, turn them back to back. Instead, I use the metal pipe. But them kind of get rust after a while. Just use the two male adapters. Alright, this part right here, if you look, you see the nut I come through the wall is too big. So what I do, so I fix it grand, trust me, I come up with something real quick. So I just get a caulk and put a little hole in it and thing. And I put that under the bottom. So as you can see, I'm reaching under the bottom now, so screw it up. Yeah, you can see it under the little yellow thing. Trust me, I have a proper tool to do that, but I just reach for that and use it. It was right there, so I just use that. So everything hook up and running. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.